Here's how to fix the Claude is disabled error. First, log out of your Claude account, then sign back in using the same login method you originally used. This refreshes your session and can resolve temporary authorization issues. Next, disable any VPN or proxy you're using. Claude may restrict access if it detects unusual or changing locations. After turning off your VPN, refresh the page and try again. If the error continues, switch to a different internet connection. Try moving from Wi-Fi to mobile data or from mobile data to Wi-Fi. Also, avoid school, work, or public networks, as they may block access to AI services. Another simple fix is to try a different browser. Open Claude in Chrome, Safari, or an incognito window. This helps rule out browser extensions or corrupted browsing data that could be causing the issue. If none of these solutions work, wait 10 to 30 minutes and try again. Sometimes the error is caused by temporary server issues, maintenance, or rate limits, which usually resolve on their own after a short time. That's all for this video. Thanks.